So girls, as you know that we are seeing whether our number is rational or irrational by dividing and getting a decimal answer, and later on seeing that if the remainder is 0, it's called which decimal?
Page what?
If it is remainder is 0, page 17. If the remainder is 0, it is called terminating decimal. And if the remainder is not 0, then if it is repeating, it's called as?
Number.
What is it called as? If it is repeating, the remainder is repeating.
Rational number. Repeating number.
Repeating decimal. Repeating decimal. We have terminating decimal. We have repeating decimal. If you don't get either, you don't get terminating. You neither get terminating nor you get repeating, and there is some simple remainder. So that is not the rational number. Then that is called as irrational number. Okay?
Okay.
So here now, just let me solve these problems here. Can you see 2 over 3?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So what I'm going to do, 2 here and 3 here, point is up and 0. What will I take? 3 times?
2.
3 times 2? I need 20.
2. No. 6.
6, very good. So I get 2, again 0, again 6, that means it's a repeating decimal. Again 18, again 2. So this is called a repeating decimal. You will just write 0.6 bar. This is your answer. But girls, I need you to solve this somewhere in the book or in the copybook or in the sticky note. Either in the sticky note or in the copybook. Write the page number, do it in the copybook, because later on during the test when you open up, you must know how did you get the answer. All right?
Okay.
This is my answer. Now for 3 and 11. Are you
Miss?
agreeing with me?
Miss,
Hmm?
you wrote like 7, then 3, then 11. The 7 is the number of the question. It's not really the.
Yes?
I don't know. Nothing.
Okay. It's like 3 over 11. Zishan, what will I write? Point here, and what will I write next to 3? Next.
Yes, miss.
Hmm?
No, you put 0.
Okay. So what up here? 11 times what? 11 times 10, 222, 333. What should I write here?
22.
Okay. So I have 8 left. Again a 0. Then 11 times 77.
7. And 7.
Okay. So then again a 0. 11 times 22. Again 8. Again a 0. This is repeating. 0.272727. So this is also a repeating. I will write 0.27. You'll put a up bar. That means 27 is repeating. Even this is called a repeating decimal. Correct?
Yes.
Question. Now last one. 8 9 by 4. Dana or Majduleen, how am I converting 8 9 over 4? I will even write the page number. What is this page, girls? 18 or 17? Tell me the page number.
17.
Don't know, miss. 17, which question?
9 over 4. How am I going to convert?
Me?
How am I going to convert this in fraction? Majduleen,
Yes.
what I'm doing first? First I will?
Multiply
Very
4
good.
with 8.
I get 4 times 8, 32. Then 32 plus 9,
41.
41. I have 41 over 4. So now I'm dividing 41 and 4. Anyways, it is a big number. I can go for 4 times 1, 4. 4 times 0, 0. And then point 0. 4 times 2, 8. 2. Again 0. 4 times 5,
Miss,
20. I know I'm doing it.
what's that?
I will explain you.
6.
See, this is 41. You know that 4 times 10 is 40. You can even do directly, but we don't do directly. We usually go one by one. Because 4 is same. 4 times 1, 4, 0. 1 comes down. I write 1 here. 4 times 0 is 0. 1 comes down. Then point and put a 0 here. 4 times 2 is 8. 2 left, again a 0 with the point. 4 times 5, 20, I get a 0 here. When I get a 0 in the remainder, what type of decimal this is called as? What type of decimal this is called as?
Miss, can I go to the bathroom?
Okay, Dana. Majdureen, if I get a 0 in the remainder, what is it called as? Which decimal? Is it repeating?
Yes. No.
Judy, what is the name of the decimal when you get 0? It starts with T. It's called
Terminating.
TER,
Terminating.
terminating. Even
Terminating.
my third class, you are not able to answer me. These are the two things what we learned in this lesson. That means you are not practicing at home. Terminating decimal, repeating decimal. Terminating decimal when you get a 0. When you don't get a 0 and the remainder repeats, it's called as repeating decimal. Both leads to rational number. Girls, I am going slow so that you get time to practice and remember things. If you are just listening my class and forgetting everything, there is no use for doing math. Math needs a lot of practice. I even told you before. This is grade 7. Okay, come on, each one of you at least tell me the name. Terminating and repeating, come on. Ms. Deline, tell me what is terminating and what is repeating decimal.
Terminating is when you have 0
Where you have 0?
in the end. You are just
Danger.
have the answer.
And then?
And the repeating is when you have a repeated number. And then you have the line thingy over it. Can you hear me?
Okay, guys, the last one, 8, 4 by 9. I wrote 8, 9 by 4. So that means I have to do again the 8th one. 8, 4 over 9. The question is 8, 4 over 9. So let me do it again for you. Let me check her messages. What is Noor saying me? Yes, terminating time. Yes, Noor, I know that you know it. Okay. This question, guys. This is the 8th question. So it's 9 times 8, 72. 76 by 9. I divide 76. 9 times 8, 72. And then you get 4.94 is 36. Again 4 and 0. 9 4s are 36. Again 4 and 0. So this is repeating. 8 times 4 is repeating decimal. Okay, this is your question number 8. Now you need to write the answers. But where are you solving? Girls, where are you solving? I'm asking you something. Where are you solving these answers? In the textbook or
Having a page in the text.
your
the
notebook?
notebook.
So do you write your page number there?
No, Miss, I don't.
In the
I
textbook,
have the book.
have some space?
Yeah.
Okay. Good. You can do it in the copybook, write the page number, and write the answers here, girls. I got 0.6. What does this line means? The line means it is repeating. Okay? Now this one. 1.0227 is a rational number. Yes, it is a rational number because the digits 2 and 7, they repeat. That's why it's a repeating decimal and it is called a rational number. Question number 9. Question number 10. Which should Aaron use to convert the fraction to a decimal? The denominator must be here and the numerator must be inside. Correct?
Yes.
Normally, if it is 2 by 3, the 3 must be written outside, the denominator must be written outside, and the numerator must be written inside. Question number 11. Is the fraction 1 by 3 to terminating decimal or a decimal that does not terminate? If you solve 1 over 3, let me try doing it here. 1 over 3. That is 1 and 3. Sorry, it is denominator must be out. Okay, so you get here point and 0. You get 3 times 3.
Because it's repeating.
9. And then you get minus repeating.
This is repeating this.
Terminating, it is repeating. Again 0 and again 3. So it's 0 point. The answer is 0 point 0.3 and you need to put above dash. So this is a repeating decimal, it's not a terminating. Determine whether the given numbers belongs to each set. Minus 3, 4. Girls, it is a whole number? No, because whole number is always positive from 1 to. Even 0 is not a whole number. Whole number means it's from 1. Integers, yes. Because integers, I told you, it will have both negative, 0 and positive. Again, girls, whole numbers starting from 1. You can write it somewhere here with a pen. Whole numbers means it starts with 1. Integer means
2.
starts with 1 to infinity. 1 to infinity. But 0 is not a whole number. Minus 34 is not a whole number. Integers. Integers means from minus to plus. That's why minus 34.
Plus.
Number, yes, it's a rational number. Noor, I'm so sorry. Then and now, every time I'm not able to check your messages. After every maybe 10 minutes, I'll check your messages. Okay, dear? Now here, girls, take this question and solve and show me. I want to see your paper. I will not leave you like that. Please solve and show me this question, but now. Of you, where is it? This question. Convert to this one. Please show it to me. I know the answer is written here, but you don't need to see the answer, and please solve it for me. Come on. I'll give you some time, 5 minutes, and you need to solve it and show it to me. Please solve this and say me now what's the answer. You have to be very fast. It's not that tough at all. I just need to put point. Okay, and a 0 here.
Miss, it didn't stop.
So what did you get? 22?
13. 2.27.
Am I correct? And then here you got 8. Yes, very good. You got 0.27. 77, yes. So this is called which decimal? This is called repeating decimal. And you will actually see. This is the answer. Is this the answer? 0.27?
Yes.
Got it? Don't
Yes.
your bar. That means alhamdulillah you understood, but with practicing, girls, you will be fast and you will not get wrong answers. Okay?
Okay.
This is what we did today. We will start with the new lesson inshallah on Sunday. Take care, girls. Have a nice day. I'll finish up my lesson. Any doubts, any questions?
No.
Thank you. See you in the science class. Inshallah. Bye, dear.